For many years, scientists and other experts would constantly research the planet of Mars, pondering the questions of whether or not life has existed in the red planet. In recent years, the CEO of SpaceX, Elon Musk, has also made efforts and proclamations to relocate humans to Mars to make humans a multi-planet species. Along with this, many rovers would be sent by NASA to discover and study the geography of Mars in efforts to uncover the history of the planet. The latest rover sent, named Perseverance, is exploring a delta in hopes to uncover a microbacteria that lived billions of years ago, which may be preserved within the Martian sediment, according to Vox. The rover is expected to bring back rock samples that will be analyzed and studied for scientific research. After all of this is done, however, what exactly will scientists get out of discovering remnants of microbacterial life in the sediments of Mars? This can be explained through the concept of interrooidedness in the topic of life forms. This entails that every single life form, from small bacteria to humans and other animals, are related to one another through a common ancestor. This quote-unquote common ancestor is believed to be a microbe that lived billions of years ago. As scientists keep this concept in mind, it raises the question of what life would look like in other celestial worlds, and how these life forms would change to live, hypothetically, in these different planets. Another question that would arise if life were to be found on Mars is where exactly the first life form existed. This is because if both Earth and Mars are found to have life forms, or at least traces of it, that would mean that the common ancestor could have possibly originated in Mars, or another meteorite instead of Earth. This would then draw another conclusion among scientists, which suppose that life forms may be more common in other areas of the universe than we may suspect. But before all of this happens, we must be able to find remnants of microbacterial life back in Mars. Therefore, the debate of extraterrestrial life will continue to spur on for many years to come, and the potential discovery of life on Mars will only be a small step of uncovering the truth of life in different galaxies and beyond.